All right, so we're starting recording. Today we're going to do some more quadratic equation. The only difference is now, on these questions, it doesn't equal 0 from the beginning. And because it doesn't equal 0 from the beginning, we have to move it to make it equal 0. So for number 13, all I'm doing is I'm going to subtract 14 on both sides. So here, I'm going to do minus 14 and minus 14. That cancels this out and leaves a 0 left over.
So it's the thing.
Now over here is, what's up?
It's the same exact thing then. You just make it equal 0.
You got to make it equal 0, and then you plug it into the equation.
It's the only extra rule?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So we're going to continue. We got x squared minus 5x plus 14. So we got to identify ABC. That's 1, negative 5, and negative 14. Then we're going to plug it into the equation over here. So that's going to be negative of negative 5 plus or minus the square root of b squared. So that's negative 5 squared. Minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is negative 14. All over 2 times, what is a? 1. All right, let's do some math. Let's clean this up a bit. This is a positive 5. On the bottom, it's just a 2. Plus or minus, now we're going to do the square root stuff. 5 squared is 25. Negative 4 times 1 times negative 14 is positive. 4 times 14 is 40, 56. 25 plus 56 is 181. Now 81 happens to be a clean square root, so we're going to have to do a little bit more work. So 81 could be reduced to 5 plus or minus 9 over 2.
Mr. Shabal, can you accept Jasmine into the Zoom?
She's not in the waiting room.
You said you're not in the waiting room.
I pressed on the link.
Try it again, or try yesterday's link. It should be the same link. Either way, 5 plus 9. So we do the plus on top and then minus on bottom. So 5 plus 9 is 14 over 2, which reduces to 7. So one of your answers are 7. And we're going to do the minus. 5 minus 9 is negative 4 over 2. Reduce that, that's negative 2. All right, so that's your example for today. Let's be quick. I want you guys to enjoy your weekend. I want you to give me the answer for number 15. You might have thought I was going to say 14, but give me the answer for number 15. Remember, set it equal to 0 first, and do the quadratic equation.
Do you want like the decimal? Like, if it equals like a decimal, like should be
No, do not simplify the square root if it's weird square root.
okay.
So, Sam, Rebecca, you did this early? You guys already had it on the draw. Good job, guys.
I did work already.
There you go, see? All right, so both of you guys, Sam and Rebecca, you're free to go. You seem to understand the lesson. You can always stay a little longer if you want.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, what number do we need to do?
Number 15. Number 15. Adira, you got it. Good job. You're free to go, okay?
What numbers are the homework?
It's going to be 12 to 18.
12 to 18?
Yeah.
So for this, is it the same thing as yesterday, except like you have to just move like the thing on the outside to the inside and make it equal 0?
Yes, and just remember when you move it, you got to do the opposite sign. For like number 15, you're minusing 9. That means your C is end up going to be negative 9.
Okay.
And I'm happy to stay a bit longer. I only can stay to like 1 o'clock if you were to hold me too long, but I have never had someone hold me too long, so don't sweat it. Anyone knows Jacob's okay? Oh, can someone tell me, can you still use technology and everything on Friday? Tomorrow, I don't know if it's that kind of holiday where you're
No.
no technology? All right.
-4 times 7.
It's negative.
-28 times 9.
John, you're.
It's
you're on
negative
the-
252.
I just have to get the things.
I know. I'll just be with you, okay?
I have a question. What's 13's answer?
13 should have been 7 and -2.
If it's a negative square, it's a positive, right?
What's 14's
Yes.
answer?
Answer Jonathan's question, yes, a negative squared is positive. Scarlett, what's your question?
What was 14's answer?
I didn't do 14's answer.
Basically, for the homework yesterday, like after the rest of the like questions that I did by myself, I didn't get any clean numbers, and I think I just did it wrong. But I'm just confused.
No, I think they stopped being clean after like number 6.
Oh, really?
I think so, yeah.
Oh, because number 5 and 6, I got both unclean. Whatever.
Is mine right?
I'll take a
See, mine
private
also
message
got
now.
unclean.
Goldman,
Mm-hmm.
good job. Just simplify that that left fraction to the whole number. It's just
Coach,
negative
I-
one.
it
That
doesn't,
doesn't go into a whole number.
Goldman, 1/1 is 1.
Coach, it doesn't
Oh,
work.
actually, no, but it's -1/1.
That's -1 then.
Oh, okay. Am I free to go?
You are free to go.
Okay.
Jonathan,
Thank you
what's
so
up? You
much.
had a question.
I have like 2 plus minus the square root of -2 square minus 4 times 7 times -9.
Okay.
And then when I get all that, I have 252, and then -2 square is 4. 4 minus 252 is a negative. There's no square root of a negative.
No. It was -4 times, what is the numbers? -4 times
7.
times -9. So that ends up being a positive. That's 2 negatives.
Exactly. So I got 252. But then before that, you have -2 square because you have b square.
Yeah, -2 squared is a positive 4.
So and then I have 4. Oh, and then it becomes 4 plus 252.
9 times 7 times 4 is 2. Oh yeah, that should be right.
Wait, I'm confused. So right now I have my answer is like, if I have an answer that like the outside of the square root could be simplified, like it's 7/14, can I simplify it to like 1/7?
Not before you add. You can't do that before you add or subtract.
I'm so confused. Is there a square root of 252 or is it not clean?
252?
Yeah.
It's
I'm pretty sure it is. I know the answer are clean numbers.
wait, but like then it's 16 divided by 14.
Wait, can you check my answer?
It's 2
Oh,
plus.
Shayna, no, you're off. I don't know what's happening.
It says 2 plus -16/14.
It says the square root of 252 is like 6 and then the square root of 7. What does that mean?
That means it's not a clean square root.
It's not 252. It's 256 because you had to add 4 to that 252.
Why
There
do
you
we have that for?
Because first you had
Four is
-2 square minus 4 times 7 times -9. So you do -4 times 7 is 28 times -9 is 252.
My answer, God.
Plus 4 is 252.
Scarlett, Scarlett, you're good.
Thank you.
No problem. Have a wonderful day.
You too.
2 plus or minus the square root.
Wait, why are you putting the 2 over there?
Here, -b, so double negative is a positive, right? I think you put A. You said 7 on top.
Oh, that's how I messed up. Okay, fine.
Over 7 times 2 is 14.
Oh, I know what I did. Okay.
I wrote 7 twice instead of 2.
Yeah, I mean, the problem is what I say straightforward. It's like you just gotta plug it in, but you do gotta plug it in correctly. 256 is 16. Yeah, 16.
Coach, I sent an answer.
Good man. Just remember to reduce the left one over there, okay?
How would I do that? Should I just like 1 and 2 over 14? 1
No,
and
on the
4.
left. Oh no, on the left, just do divided by 2 on both the top and the bottom. You see how you can take
Oh yeah, my bad.
That's
All right.
fine. You're good to go though, John. You're fine.
All right, thank you. Have a good day.
Minus 248 is approximately I times 15.748, where I is the square root of minus 1.
What? So I have a little bit. I've been doing the steps down the bottom left. Check if you mismatch anywhere here. Ellie, you got it, my man. You're free to go. Okay.
What?
You got it. You're free to go.
Thank you.
No
Have a
problem.
good weekend.
You too.
Wait, I'm confused because I got -4 minus 252. So what do I do now? Or should it not be negative?
-4. Where's
minus-
-4? Here.
What?
-4 is where?
And it's
Here?
square
Here or here?
inside. Wait, no, because
Jasmine, what's -2 times -2?
it's +4. But now it's gonna be +4 minus 252.
Nope, nope, nope. What is -4 times 7 times -9? There's
It's
2 negatives in there. So
it's
it,
252.
so it becomes a positive because of that, okay?
Oh, okay. So it's gonna be 256.
Yeah, 256. Shanna, you figured out your error? It seems like from looking at it, Shanna, what calculator are you using? Your answer's like estimated for some reason over being like the straight answer. I don't know why though. Like Shanna, it's like close enough to be correct, but it's like off in a way that I'm not understanding why it's off like that. You're like 0.02 off on both of these. Can you check your calculator? Did you add or subtract 0.02 for some reason? Do you put a decimal somewhere randomly? Just feels weird. I don't know why you're 0.2 off, Shanna. And I can't hear you if you're just trying to tell me.
Oh, okay. 15 point.
Shayna, the square root should be 256. So the square root of 256 should be exactly 16. You might have you have like 252 or
Oh,
something?
okay. Wait. So I get it. Can I like leave?
What did you do wrong? Explain it to me.
Oh, I just I added it wrong. Instead of adding 4 and 252, I subtracted 4 minus 2.
So just put in the now correct answers, okay? Liam, you got it. Jasmine, you're a little bit off.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You're quite off, actually, a little bit, Jasmine. Not quite off. You're somewhat off. Let's see. You got 2 and 6. So what did you get the square root of 256 to be?
It was 16.
Okay. So we're going to do +2 because look at this. B was -2. So double negative is a positive. So it's +2 plus 16. What's +2 plus 16?
18.
18. So 18 over 14.
Oh, why is it 14? I thought it was over -4.
2A. 2A.
Oh,
You're matching the top and bottom. Before you said it was 7s, and then now you said there's 2s. No, they're different.
it's so confusing. Anyways, okay. Yeah, I get that. I'm sorry. I make dumb mistakes like that.
It's okay. That's literally why we're doing this now versus later.
So what should the answers be?
18 over 14. What does that reduce to, Jasmine?
It's gonna be 18 over 14. If you divide them both by 2, it's gonna be 7 over 9.
9 over 7. But
9
yeah,
over
you got the right idea. And then we have to also do the minus. So what's 2 minus 16?
2 minus 16 is going to be, that's 14.
Good. Negative 14 though, right? Because you're minus 16. So negative 14 over 14, what does that reduce to?
If you divide it by 2, it's going to be, well, that's 8 over 7.
It's 14 over 14.
Oh, 14. I thought that was 19. Yeah, it's going to be 7 over 7, which is an equal 1, negative 1.
Yeah. Good. So negative 1, okay?
Yeah, so the top one is negative 9 over 7.
Positive 9 over 7 and negative 1. Shayna, you got it. Okay?
Oh, should I comment? Should I, like, text
Yeah,
it?
type it here because then I just look back at the log and say, oh, you did that. Okay?
Okay.